keeps cutting out, but I'm just trying to get everything to work here. Get the proper angle, and I don't want to keep moving the camera around all the time. And I'm only trying to put on the pieces that won't interfere with the thing being laid on its back when I put in the windshield. And this thing, it has two tabs that have to stay in place. So you kind of have to get the tweezers and maneuver it into position. Kind of like that. Yes. And then, because you want to get it to sit flat. Not angled, but flat. Like so. Yes, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. You don't want to force it, but you want it to be flatter so that you can put those two things in front. So, how do we go about doing that? Without it breaking, of course, because you don't want it to break either. Yes, I know I'm doing all this on camera, and maybe the light isn't helping me have it be visible, so let's move everything. There. That's a bit better. Alright, so this hang has to be flat. It's kind of wedged in there, isn't it? Yes. It's because it's stuck on the bar, you see. I'm beginning to think maybe I can remove those two small bars that are at the side, and maybe it'll actually work. So give me 1 second here. Let me just trim this one and this one. Just a bit. That just might make the difference. Snip and snip. Don't be afraid to modify parts if you need them to fit. Because sometimes that's exactly what you need to do to get things to work. And if I have to make it even thinner as well. Oh, see? See? There you go, see? Fits in perfectly. So there's the front view. All right. So you can put on the two black air tanks on the other side as well. They're not too big. They shouldn't break if you put them on. Whatever you do, don't lose those 4 screws, because those 4 screws are the ones that hold the top and bottom of the car together. So here are the black air tanks, the ones that go on this side. So now you have to do this and that so that you can put the air tanks in these 2 holes. So once again, you got to get some glue in here. It kind of makes me wonder, why did I go to so much effort to put the black tubing in place when it really wasn't necessary? Now the ladder does go above the air tanks, and you still have to attach the chrome bumpers, but you've already done that. Okay, so let's see here. Glue and glue. Glue and glue. Now there is no solid surface to push it in, of course, and make it connect. That's the problem with polar lights, but it seems to be working so far. I think that went in without having to be pushed too much. Ah, there you go. See, you hear that? Satisfying snap. Now, a snap without breaking. Okay, so that's good. Now, what else can be put onto the car that won't break off if you put the car upside down to put in the windshield? I think you could stand to put on that little white thing. The white thing that's already been completely assembled. The white thing that is right here. Now it is said to go in the center right there. It's supposed to have a hole to go into. But I quite frankly don't see one. It is so strange. Unless... Okay, so it has to look like this. Oh, maybe it goes in there. Like, oh, like that, perhaps. That's going to be a bit difficult, isn't it? Mm-hmm. I think it goes right in there. Begs the question, what goes there then? Yeah, all right. Just a bit of trimming. Just a bit of trimming. Like that. Good. Come on. Good. All right. Because remember, it got paint on it, so that might have kept it from working. Or being spread out far enough for it to actually function. So, let's do this now. There you go. And there you go. Yep. Hopefully that didn't gum up the attachment. So it's supposed to go in there like that. Don't be afraid to rock it back and forth. Force the part in that way. I think it's working. Or the stupid tab is breaking off, one or the other. These parts sometimes get a little frustrating. I think it's working. Oh, it is working. It's going in there. Good. And the front chrome bumper is staying in place. See? It worked. And it is almost completely flush. And you just have to tilt it